Hi, I'm Lindsay Bugbee, and today I'm going to show you how to use MicroGlaze to waterproof your mail art and calligraphy envelopes. I don't waterproof every single piece of mail art that I send out, but if I've spent a long time making a piece of mail art, I feel like it's a good idea to just put the MicroGlaze on as extra insurance because it really doesn't take too long to do it. So what you're going to do is grab your MicroGlaze. You can find it on the TPK website in the supplies shop. Open it, and you will see that it looks like Vaseline, except it's white. And so you just take a bit on your finger, and then you've got your envelope here. So this is important. Put your postage stamps on the envelope before you apply the MicroGlaze, because the MicroGlaze is going to make the texture a little bit oily, and then the postage stamps won't want to stick. So important to have these already on here. And then what I do is I put that bit of MicroGlaze on the envelope, and then I use my fingers to just distribute it across the envelope. And it does change the sheen of the envelope just a little bit, but not enough that it's going to be noticeable to anybody except for you. And it is more noticeable on darker envelopes. So with a white envelope like this one, you're not going to notice much of a change. And then you notice that as I'm going through, I'm applying a little bit more. It really doesn't take much. And then once I'm done, what I like to do is buff the MicroGlaze off. So I take a clean paper towel and I just put my index finger in the paper towel like this and just buff it. And that will really help with making the texture, not seem off. It almost gives the envelope sort of a buttery leather texture. You'll see what I mean once you get the MicroGlaze. But that's it. Now it's waterproof, and I'm gonna show you just how waterproof. Okay, so this is pretty amazing. I've got my water here. Going to put my syringe in the water, and then let's imagine that the mail person is out, they're about to deliver your mail art, but it's raining outside. Do you see how that just beads up on the envelope? Isn't that amazing? Watch this. Yeah, so obviously nothing is going to happen to your mail art or your calligraphy. It's completely waterproof. And any water, any moisture that gets on there will slide right off. So I hope that you enjoyed learning about how to use MicroGlaze. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments, and I will see you in the next TPK YouTube video.